And welcome my friend, and then how I can test my car's or truck's battery. That do I have good battery in my car or truck, and what is this right amount of this voltage. And here we can see really this my measurement. I have sign in here, I have write that 12.89 voltage. This is good amount of this power inside this car battery. When we are talking this 12 voltage car or trucks electricity systems. And this is that how much we must to have this voltage in my car, that this my car starts well. And let's go to look at how I can measure that. Now there is really three of these batteries. First one, what is I have already measured, that there is enough this battery power, this voltage and this capacity inside that battery. And then maybe this is a little bit weaker and this is bad battery, but let's test those. And for that testing we need now this basic, very basic electric meter. Where is the switch what I need to rotate in this battery position in here. There is battery sign in here, and I rotate that my switch in this battery and 9 voltage position in that way. And then I check that there is this amount, and then I start to measure this my batteries so that there are two of these testing device. First one, red goes also always to black. Red goes always to plus and black goes to minus these points. There is minus and there is plus in here, these signs. And now I install this one in here and then that one in here, and then we check only this measurement amount in here in that device. And there is really 12.87. And let's go to look that symbol more closer. Very nice view of these measurements in here. And now I install this my cables and we can see this amount, and there's really 12.88. And if we have that amount of voltage, we have really good battery. And this is the amount that we have to be at least 12.80 of this voltage, and then we have good battery. But let's test those little bit weaker bad batteries too. The second battery, what I think that it is little bit bad, but let's look these amounts, and I take my testing device and let's test that what numbers we can get. And now there is 12.441, and this is weak amount. And let's go to look even closer that we can see those symbols. We can see very nicely these numbers, and there should be, and there must be this amount 12.8, and now there's only 12.42 for fun, and this is too weak voltage. And that means now that this battery is bad. This is bad battery. That means that now this my battery, this is bad, and I need to replace or charge this battery. Sometimes we can use charger, and then we go this final one, what is really bad battery. Final one is really bad and weak battery, and let's test what is this amount in here. And I take this my testing device that we can see how much there is voltage, and there is voltage only 12.18. And let's go to look even closer. We can see nicely these numbers, and then I install my device in here, and what is this amount? It is 12.17 and it means that now we have really weak battery what we have to throw away and cancel, and we need to only purchase new battery.